Good morning and welcome back. So last time I bought a $2,000 car. Now the reason that the car was so cheap is that there were a number of issues. Now what I've got here is my old checklist from when I owned an R34 Skyline. However, that car is no longer with us, so I'll be erasing everything and starting fresh with my new Stagea. Alright, so the issues that I've got noted down are that the driver's side window regulator keeps going down no matter what. There is a missing wheel arch on the front left fender. The boot struts need regassing. The right fender needs a repaint. There's a check engine light on. The left indicator light does not work. And possibly the issue with the rear hatch glass not opening. However, that one might not be fixable. So now that we've got all the issues listed, now's the time to go ahead and fix them all.
But first of all, the car will need a clean and a service. Okay, so I previously said that it was the window regulator, however I believe it's just a sticky window switch. So I've gone to the wreckers, paid $20 for this one, and I'll replace this and hopefully it will fix the issue. And just to confirm, yes, I did clean the door cards.
Alright, so it looks to me like the OBD scanner that I bought didn't actually work, is not compatible with this Nissan. Maybe it's because it's JDM and it only works with the foreign market models, Infinities and whatnot. So today we're going to try the other trick, which is to use the car's inbuilt error code scanner. So the trick is, remember 357, flip the key to on, wait 3 seconds, then press the accelerator 5 times in 5 seconds. After that, wait 7 seconds, and then press the accelerator and hold it for another 7. So 357, pretty simple, and we'll find out what's going on. I've got a stopwatch here just to record how far we are going through. So let's take a look now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 7. So this noise you're hearing just now is the CD auto changer doing something. There we go. And you should see it flashing there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 3, 4, 5, 0, 3, 4, 5, which is for the cam angle sensor. Alright, that's about it for this. Just all that means is I have to reset the ECU and buy a cam angle sensor.
Now to get to the dashboard, we have to remove all the lower fascia, remove the indicator stalks, and then loosen the dash cluster by 4 hex bolts at the bottom by the steering column. So what I've got here is an M35 dash cluster and an R34 dash cluster. Luckily they both use the same type of twist plugs in the rear. So all you have to do is to twist out the Nissan Skyline plug and insert it into the Nissan Stagea dashboard.
It's been a few days since I made that list, but what I had done was replace the window switches, run the error codes, given the car a full detail, given the car a full service, and replace the cam angle sensors. All that's left to do is to get the rear boot struts regassed and to fix up the front fenders.